It hasn't been a great 24 hours for the garden. This past week has been exceptionally hot. Last night we had a massive thunderstorm. So I came out and checked the garden and let's take a look at what's going on. I can't say I'm really happy about the current state. Let's see. For starters, my big, beautiful tomatillo plant split in a couple different places, both plants. They were too top heavy, and even though they were tied up, they're completely split, and now they're laying on the ground. I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to harvest. I also noticed, unfortunately, that the zucchini, notice I'm trying the growing them upright method this year. Well, that is really clear evidence of vine borer damage. Now, the whole plant isn't impacted, so maybe I'll still get some fruit off of this, but I don't know. And if you notice, purslane is taking over the neighborhood. On a positive side, the cucumbers look good, and here's one that was hiding, so I'm happy about that. So that's good. That'll be lunch. This lettuce got completely beaten down. The leeks are growing. I'm going to have some bare spots here very soon when I pull these last two cabbages. And here's something that really, it is early July, it's July 3rd. And yep, that's my eggplants and my tomatoes. And I'm a month late putting in these things. And I'm really hoping that by the middle of August, they will have caught up. But I don't know. So yeah, the garden's not looking its best. It's not looking its worst. We'll just keep muddling through. And how's your garden growing? Yep, that's what I got for today.